I'll go here.
You're gonna go there? Alright, cool.
I like don't know where to look. I guess we'll look up there, right?
We'll look up there for now, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Paige. Today we are doing my first ever PC build, and we're here with Z Sweezy.
That's me.
Should we do a run through of what we have here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet. So, possibly my favorite part is the case.
You gotta have a nice looking case.
Beautiful. It's an NZXT, what, H5?
510.
Yeah, H510 Elite though. The difference with the Elite, the Samsung.
The SSD here,
I feel like
we'll go to our side camera. We'll use our side camera.
Oh, that's a perfect use of the side camera.
There we go. Samsung Evo 860. This is your SSD.
1 terabyte.
This is where all your storage is put.
Yeah.
Our RAM. I gotta get used to angles. The Corsair Vengeance Pro.
AMD.
It is an AMD, a Ryzen.
5.2 is Shorty's status, I believe.
There you go. Ryzen 7. This is the which one? The 3rd gen, so it's the 36. What is it? I'm looking at the top. I can't tell. So it's a 3700X, so it's 3rd generation. I believe they just came out with the 4th generation, or it's the 500 series.
Yeah, I know that I got a better deal on that one because
the new generation's coming. Let's go with the motherboard next.
The motherboard.
The motherboard.
The Mobo.
Here we go. It is a B550 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. We went with the Wi-Fi edition because she doesn't always have
Ethernet access.
So we had to go with the Wi-Fi. And then let's do the thing everyone wants to know about.
My graphics card.
The graphics card. Here we go. It's a GTX Ventus XS Overclock Edition, a 1660. So yeah.
I don't see, it's not like a super buff one, but it's like a good for the price, I think.
Oh yeah,
and
absolutely.
I can always upgrade it, but I thought that this would be a good place to start.
It's NVIDIA, you can't go wrong.
Right!
And then our power supply is just a Corsair, you know, pretty standard, I would say. GeForce GTX is solid, absolutely.
Nice.
It's always solid.
I'm so nervous.
And just so you know, you're going to be doing everything. You're going to put all the parts in. I'm not putting in the parts. I'll be there to.
I'm really nervous.
I'll be here to help, just in case anything catastrophic might happen. But I think you'll do fine. Yeah. Oh
Jesus! You got it.
This is not how you're supposed to do it, folks. But
how do you do it?
All right, put it on the ground. Let's do it the right way. Come on!
Okay.
There we go.
There!
So this will be what we're putting it all in. Side camera view. Boom, boom. Tempered glass. I got it. Don't worry. I got grip. Don't worry. So let's go ahead and open up your Mobo. All right. So the first thing you're going to see is that it is in a anti-static sleeve.
Oh no.
So you don't mess up anything.
I heard something about having to ground yourself when you do this.
Yeah, always have like something to like touch metal. I mean, you can go ahead and just touch like your case or like anything to like take some static off. You know, just do it every now and then.
Okay.
Most of the time, especially on a hardwood floor, we're not wearing socks or anything.
That's a good point.
We're not really making any static, so
okay.
Boom. There we go. Put that down there. And
my wires.
What else you got in there? What you think those are?
Connecty bits.
Connecty bits. Yeah, connecty bits. Let's take this bad boy out and set it. I like to yeah, I like to keep it on the sleeve. Just so
that's a good idea. Yeah. And then you don't scratch anything.
You don't scratch anything, it's on there. What do you think's the next thing we have to do?
I imagine I connect the cords to things and screw things in.
All right, first thing we're gonna do is install the processor.
Gosh darn it! I didn't even come close.
Okay, so go ahead and see what you have in the box. Here, I'll help you out here a little bit. So this is going to be your fan.
Oh my god.
We're going to keep a lot of this stuff together.
Oh my god.
Just because we don't want to mess everything up. It's a pretty beefy fan. I mean, hey, it's good for processors. I mean, look at that. It's got a nice heat sink and all that good stuff. So
I feel bad shaking it now.
that silver thing that you're talking about, that's your
Yes.
actual processor.
Wait, what? That is the processor?
This is your processor.
That's not the processor.
This is just your fan to cool down your processor.
That little boy puts out that much power.
Yeah, this little boy.
That little one right there.
This little boy.
He
right
needs,
there.
that little thing needs a fan that big.
Here we go. Let's get a close up of the people.
It's like me. It's all this energy in a tiny little package.
See, like those? Those are
Oh.
tiny.
It goes right there.
Yeah, there you go. You're getting it. You're getting it. Okay. Here we go. Be very careful with it.
What do I do?
Actually, you know what? Before we do that, let's get it prepared for the motherboard. So what you want to do is, you see that little like silver thing, little silver
Yeah,
thing?
right there.
Lift that boy up.
Wait, excuse me, what?
Lift that boy up.
This?
Yes. Hey, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, and I want you to locate. So in this corner right here, I know it's really hard to see, but there's a little arrow. You see that little arrow on that right corner, top right corner?
Okay. Is it on it?
Yes, it's on this like little like outside edge thing. See that little arrow right there?
Oh, okay, yeah. That looks like a triangle.
Yeah, exactly. It looks, an arrow is a triangle.
I expected
feel
like an
Okay.
arrow though, instead of like a triangle.
See?
When do we add the beans? I love that
When do we
video.
add the beans?
It's full of beans.
This is probably the most important part of the build.
My
okay?
hands are sweaty. Okay.
Just make sure you do not bend any of those whatsoever.
So like this.
Yes, very much so.
And now I just
put it right on.
I'm so nervous. Okay. Do I?
Line it up, but just don't put too much pressure.
I'm afraid to push it down.
Here we go. I gotcha. I'll help you out here. There you go. Now it's in.
Oh, it just goes?
It just goes right in.
Okay,
and then
so that's-
now you can.
Press that down.
Yep. Boom. Next we're gonna do is put on the fan.
Okay.
So before I show you, at the bottom of this is called thermal paste.
Oh, I've heard about this stuff.
You need thermal paste when you have a new processor or change out fans or anything, so it disperses the heat better, so your processor does not overheat. There you go. See that? AMD is wonderful because it comes with thermal paste.
Okay.
You're just gonna go ahead, put that on there.
Okay.
There's like these little side parts. You see it right here?
Wait, hold up. What? Wait, does this go around? Oh, so
Yeah.
these go around that. Okay. So I will have to put like a little pressure to like this side. It did it easy.
Yep. One side usually is a little bit easier than the other.
Wait, nope, I didn't get it. There it goes. Okay. Go. Go. Why is one side so much looser than the other? Okay, so that side's there. This side just needs to go. Right? Doesn't seem like it's difficult.
You got a real lucky one, let me tell you.
Is it difficult?
Oh yeah.
But we've got. What was that noise?
That was just me putting the thing up.
It's on. See, okay, so it
It's
wasn't
on.
me, right?
It was a little hard, I gotta say. All right.
You didn't break anything, right?
Oh, it's all broken. Let's see. System fan 3. No. You want CPU fan 1. So go ahead. It kind of lines up. See that little indent groove?
Yeah.
Indent groove. Boom. All right. So we got the CPU now, the easiest part.
There it is.
So your RAM, it has to be installed a certain way, otherwise it's not going to work correctly. It's dual channel. These are dual channel. You can have up to 4, and they'll be connected by like 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, so I just stick them in, right?
Yeah, pretty much. These are probably the most Lego-esque part of it.
Do I?
Yep, you wanna.
Oh, okay, so it does do that. I'm like afraid to push anything because I'm afraid that I'll.
And then push down on it. Give it a good push down.
Am I sure I'm doing this right?
You're doing it right, I promise you.
I won't go. I won't go. Oh, that much force.
Yeah,
Okay.
you need to put a little force into it.
Oh, what the hell? You got like the magic touch. I don't get it. Are we sure it's the right way right now?
It should be.
It should be.
No, it's not the right way.
Oh no! We didn't break it, did we?
No, you're good. There you go. You had it backwards. No, there should be a little shield. Okay, so now,
Yes.
case.
What-
Bring that puppy over here.
Summon the case.
So, looks like these are what take your side panel off. And this is now the Z cam.
The Z cam. I love it. There.
Boom. Here is the inside of the PC case.
That's
It comes with fans, a top and a rear, and
the front.
the front. I don't know,
Can
it
you see
changed.
me
It
through
changed. Right here, see like these little things right here?
AUI.
These are where your motherboard is going to line up on your panel.
Whoa.
Yep, and this is where it connects.
This is so heavy. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, that's way easier at least. Oh my god. So that one's lined up. Oh, it dropped into place.
Well, it'll kind of like, make it
I think
steady.
I did it.
There you go.
I did it!
Yay! All right, now take your screws.
I hope I never have to do this again. I hope nothing broke. I hope nothing breaks. Oh, there it goes.
So next we're going to do is power supply.
We have our power supply.
Yeah.
And it looks like it came with a bag. There's a cable close up. Look at that. Beautiful.
Nice and braided and nice.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, let's see. You got some silent operation at low to moderate loads. In this mode, the fan will not spin.
Okay.
Well, thank you.
Thanks, Corsair. Oh, it goes under there?
Yep.
Wait, it goes upside down?
It's not upside down. Well, I guess technically, yes, it's upside down.
It's not upside down. Okay.
So I will help you out here because this is a little bit of a bitch to
Here.
do, to line up.
Oh, with that.
Yep.
So there's one. We got it.
All right, let's start getting the main components of the power supply. Where did I put that bag? And
I like that's nicely labeled for you.
Yep. Okay, let's do the most important parts, which is the main power.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. We're hot, so we pull that through and then we go around and plug it in.
Yeah, and then also on that one. There we go. Main power, CPU, both of those in.
Hell yeah. We are making progress.
I'll just shove that up there so we get some space. Really all we need to do is put the SSD and the graphics card in and then just manage the cables, and then we can start doing bootloading and whatnot.
We can test it.
Yeah.
We can see if it'll turn on. What do we do if it doesn't turn on?
Okay, so there's one thing we need to do to power this. The power for the fans right here. This is what it was for.
Oh.
The daisy chain, but see, this is some bullshit right here.
It's weird that it's called daisy chain.
That's just a term for connecting things in a line, like a series.
Mr. Panda, RGB statistically increases performance.
Statistically.
Oh, 100%.
Statistically.
Of course. Oh.
Yeah, and then usually.
Oh, it just goes on the back there? Oh, so you pop that off, then you put it in there, and then it like holds it in that way, I'm going to guess, right?
Yep.
Ah, see, I'm learning.
All right. So then, all I did was just bring the connection for your SSD up here.
Okay.
And this is going to go somewhere around here. One complaint about this case is it's right by the SSD SATA connection port, so it is a little hard.
Do you want me to try with my small hands again?
Let's see, I'm almost there. All right, next, the creme de la creme.
What is that? The graphics card! Okay. So here we have our user guide. Another thank you for choosing this product. And here's the graphics card. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be. It's a lot smaller and a lot more lightweight than I anticipated. Just in case, like for a comparison, I'm 5'2". I don't know how else to really give the size.
So the most important part, see this guard right here? This is where the important stuff is. Like that, you don't want to damage.
Oh, okay, so it's protecting it because it's important.
Yep. So right here on this side is where you want to take off your little guard.
Oh, because this will go
I believe
through
this
there?
should be your first slot anyways, so.
What is it?
I believe this is the vertical connections that you can do.
Ah, okay. Yeah, getting that out of the way might help.
Just one, in case you
Okay.
want to expand on anything.
Oh, because it goes that way.
Yep. All right, take your guard off. Okay. Now you're in the danger zone. Okay, and line that bad boy up.
Okay. There it goes.
It wasn't.
Oh, well, I'm glad that you took over before I destroyed it.
It wasn't. That's wrong. the thing wasn't in the right spot. I took off the wrong one.
So is it the black one?
It's gonna be this one.
Ah. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, I see now. I'm bad at the camera. I'm sorry, everyone. Whoa. Is it in? Did it do it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it wasn't. I'm just.
It wasn't?
Yeah.
There it goes. Now it's definitely in. So we were still over too far.
Yep.
So it's actually not too over.
This is what happens when you work with different cases all the time.
It's 3 over. people want to see the side of it so far, that's how that is looking. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful.
The fun part of cable management.
It's cable management time?
It's cable management time.
Where's that PCIe plug into?
This would be if you had a second graphics card.
How does your computer know which one to like process stuff in?
So a GPU is just a secondary processing unit, right? So if you have two beefy GPUs, you could like be editing on your Photoshop and gaming on Warzone at the same time.
So
I'm just kind of getting everything kind of like put together, very, you know,
make
tight.
it pretty.
Yeah, make it nice and tight, nice and pretty. So like I usually do like one right here, and one right
I
here.
trust you. I'm gonna get my hands out of there.
And now we just have to do the back side.
There it is. Oh my god.
So far, so good.
Oh my god. That's a computer. I feel like I'm not being helpful.
It's okay.
Whoa, so I have 2 USB slots.
Mm-hmm.
And
You got 4, 5. You got 5 USB slots plus a USB-C.
Awesome, thank God. Aw, Panda, thank you for
house.
hosting. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's get this side panel back on.
The panel goes on. The moment. Yes. There it goes.
Now the other side. Actually, We're not gonna put that side on.
Should we try to turn it on first?
Exactly.
Okay. So now do we grab the monitor
let's clear off the space so we can
clean up a little bit?
Yeah. That needs to be plugged in.
This.
Yes.
The power.
The power.
The power.
You've got the power. And look, I have a extension cord right here.
Oh, thank God. Look at how convenient that was.
Boom.
It all worked out.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Okay.
Mr. Worldwide is a step through the room.
Was something supposed to happen yet?
No. It's on. Oh.
Oh no!
I believe that was the power supply, because it's definitely not the graphics card.
It stopped.
Let's do a reset. Yeah. I believe it's the power supply. But I just took this off and this is the reason, you know, this is the stuff on making a PC.
I've heard it a million times. I just flip it upside down. Man. I really hoped it would be perfect, but like, I know me. As an IT, when something wasn't working hardware-wise, I would just run diagnostics and then call a company to replace the parts. Is he making me nervous?
Fixed it.
It doesn't do it! It's not doing it! Ah!
We're flipping it upside down.
I flip it upside down. Flip it upside down. Ah! Oh my God! It works! It works!
You want your
Graphics card one?
Yeah.
Oh shit! There's a difference.
Boom. Is this on? Does this need to be plugged in?
It needs. No, it's on. It's on.
It's on.
This is my really old. Not. I have a nicer one. I did not travel with the nicer one.
All right. Do you want to do the?
Oh my God. Okay, this is it. It's figuring something out. Sometimes you gotta turn it off and turn it back on too. Did it switch?
It switched. There we go. Your BIOS is popping.
Crap! Oh my God!
There you go. Look at that.
Oh my God!
Memory storage.
It's on!
Flash. Look at that.
It's turned on.
Easy LED control. Very nice. Let's see what we got going on here. USB.
It turned on. Oh my God, I'm actually gonna cry.
Let's okay. Boot. there's tissues in the bathroom. Everything's running smoothly. Samsung SSD, here we go. Plug, SATA port number 5. No.
When your PC turned on, it says best part of your year, you know it's 2020.
Post beep. You don't want the beep.
What is a beep?
Beep is like if you turn it on and if it works, it'll go beep. I used to have it on when my first build when it was going to shit.
Yeah.
So I turned it on, so if it didn't beep, I'd be like, all right, time to go work on it again.
Oh.
There it is.
Wow.
Here we go.
Do I have to put my key in?
This is where you put your key in.
I should probably flip it around so it's not.
Yeah, flip it around.
It downloaded. It's doing it. It's blue. It's blue.
It's blue for Windows.
I guess once we set this up, we're done, right?
We're all done.
Holy shit.
We're like right here.
3.5 hours later. Whoa, it's there. It did it. Holy shit. That's a clean PC right there. That's new to the world. Well, people, I guess we should do our wrap up before everything dies. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. This has been a lot of fun. This has been really exciting. We built a PC today.
We did. We built it.
We put a creation into the world.
We took all the parts and turned it into that.
I want to give a super special shout out to Z Sweezy here. Please check him out on Twitch. This would not happen without him and his guidance through all of this. So please at least drop by and check it out. Really appreciate his help. And yeah, do you have any wrap ups?
Yeah, thank you for having me. Thank you for having me have you in my space. Just kidding. No, I'm happy to oblige to have the space to do this. I like building PCs. I'm happy that it worked immediately. That is something that is, sometimes that just doesn't happen. My computer that I have now that I worked, it didn't work right away. Thanks, Z. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm glad everyone had a good time. I plan on doing more PC build stuff. If I could do one every day, I would, but unfortunately, that's just not what I do. But I will be building another one for Burkle. She's in chat. Say congrats on your PC, I guess. I don't know yet. Congrats on your future PC.
Yeah.
But I will be streaming that one as well. It won't be on Pagey's channel, so if you want to see that, you're gonna have to go to my channel and at least maybe give a follow and turn on the notifications. That'd be really great.
So anyways, thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I'm gonna wrap it up there.
What's Z channel? It's @ZSweezy. It's in the name. It's in Pagey's name. She's cutting me off, guys. Help! No, @ZSweezy. Follow me on everything: Twitter, Instagram, Discord, all that good stuff. Bye.
Bye.